Xiaomi is getting ready to unveil the Xiaomi 17 and 17 Ultra globally on February 28. A new leak now suggests that these might not be the only phones launching that day. The Xiaomi 17T and Xiaomi 17T Pro might also launch globally on the same day. The leak corroborates our previous report, which revealed that the two phones would launch 4 months ahead of their predecessors. The lineup will use a combination of Dimensity 8 series and Dimensity 9 series flagship platforms. The Xiaomi 17T could run on the Dimensity 8500, while the Xiaomi 17T Pro will be powered by the Dimensity 9500's chip. It will feature a triple rear camera setup led by an OmniVision OV50E sensor. It will be joined by an OmniVision OV13B sensor and a Samsung ISOCELL JN5 sensor, handling ultra-wide and telephoto duties. There's also mention of a Samsung ISOCELL S5 KKDS sensor for selfies. The Xiaomi 15T used a 50MP Light Fusion 800 main camera, a 50MP telephoto lens, and a 12MP ultra-wide camera. It also featured a 32MP selfie camera. The Xiaomi 17T is also expected to flaunt a 6500 mAh battery. The charging speed remains unchanged at 67W. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.